Hi, hello everyone. Myself Uzma. I am studying in 10th standard at Minority Murarji Desai Residential School, Shravandanahalli. Today in this video, we are going to learn about some laws in science. Ohm's law. The potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided its temperature remains the same. And the next law is Joule's law of heating. It is directly proportional to the square of current for a given resistance. It is directly proportional to resistance for a given current and directly proportional to the time for which the current flows through the resistor. And the third law is Fleming's left hand rule. If the thumb, forefinger and middle finger of our left hand is stretched in such a way that each of the three are perpendicular to each other, then the middle finger will show the direction of current flowing through the conductor, forefinger will show the direction of magnetic field, and the thumb will show the direction in which the force will act. The next rule is Fleming's right hand rule. If the thumb, forefinger and middle finger of our right hand are stretched in such a way that each of them are perpendicular to each other, then the thumb will show the direction of motion, the forefinger will point out the direction of magnetic field, and the middle finger obviously shows the direction of induced current. The next rule is reflection of light. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. The next law is refraction of light. The incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of two media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to theta of refraction is a constant for the light for a given color and for the given pair. Snell's law. The next is Dobrunner's law of trades. Dobrunner showed that when the three elements in a trade were arranged of increasing atomic masses, the atomic mass of the middle element was average of the atomic masses of theater of two elements. Next law is Newland's law of octaves. The elements are arranged in the increasing order of their every eighth element has properties similar to first one. The next law is Mendeleev's periodic table. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. Modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. The next rule is Lindemann's rule. When energy is passed in an ecosystem from one level to the next, only 10% of the energy will be passed on. And the next law is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. When there is a change in the magnetic flux linked with the coil, then an EMF is induced in the coil. The magnitude of EMF induced depends directly on the rate of change of magnetic flux linked with the coil. Science teacher Rupesh Kumar sir for giving this opportunity, and thanks to principal sir for supporting us. Thank you one and all.